If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Only the current primary admin can transfer the role of primary admin to another user. The user to whom the primary admin role is transferred must be an active company admin with a valid email account. There can only be one primary admin user per company file. The existing primary admin becomes a company admin upon relinquishing the primary admin role. To transfer the primary admin role to an existing user who has the company admin role, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Manage Users link under the Your Company heading in the menu to show the Users tab of the Manage Users page. Then find the current company admin to whom to transfer the primary admin role within the list of users. Click the drop-down under the Action column within that user's row, and then select the Make Primary Admin command. In the pop-up confirmation window that then opens, click the Make Primary Admin button to confirm the change, or the Cancel button to cancel the change. At that point, QuickBooks Online sends an invitation to the company admin user inviting them to become the new primary user for the company file. The user can click one of two links in the email to either accept or decline the primary admin role. Note that the primary admin role will not be transferred until the proposed new primary admin user clicks the link to accept the role in the email invitation. If they decline, an email informing you of that is sent to your associated email address and you remain the primary admin. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.